Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox GLOBOX. So nowadays GLOBOX is with a build your own box concept. So they have actually 5 ranges of different products, and you can actually curate up till 5500 for your box, and what you pay is only 999 or 1000 rupees, and for that you will be getting 3 times to 4 times to 5 times the products, and that too all the 5 products will be full size. There will be no sample size, and all the 5 products are your own choice. I actually now have choose. I have seen Vanity Cask, and Vanity Cask also comes for 999. And when I compared both GLOBOX, I felt more better when compared to Vanity Cask. If you have a budget of 1000 and you want to purchase or invest in a box, probably I would say for GLOBOX, because GLOBOX you only will curate, whereas Vanity Cask they curate for themselves, and there will be some sample sizes also, but here all are full sizes and are of your choice. So I love GLOBOX. So when I and the GLOBOX is also bigger than Vanity Cask, so for storage also this will be very useful. So when I open all these cards I've seen, and my invoice is there, which shows in the product details. Okay, and there is a butter paper which contain all the products, and I open this and I will show you all the products. All the products are well bubble wrapped, and I actually removed them to show you quickly. The first important star product in this bag, and my favorite product, is Bitter Poland perfume. So it is of the variant Warsaw. Okay, so I love this, and the price of this is 1500. And how does it look, and the fragrance, I have to tell, if you spray on your clothes this day, until unless this clothes get washed off, okay, the perfume will be on your clothes like that only. It may be 48 hours or 72 hours also, it will be like that only. So it is like this cute one, 30 ml, and with a gold color cap and gold color um, pressing kind of thing. So you need to spray it on your clothes. For the perfume to last on your body, you need to spray it on your pulse points here, okay, and here. Okay, that makes your perfume last longer. Okay, after this product, and this is 1500, what I pay is 1000, it's more than what I got. And the next product which I loved in this month is, this is from Makeup Academy, and this is a lip balm. Okay, MUA Sweet Sheen Lip Balm. So it will have a sheen to your lips. Okay, and there will be no tint at all. It is just balm to it. When you do much to your eyes to compensate that, make your lips neutral with such good neutral lip balms. So it's very good, and the price of this is, by the way, 550. So I like it. So the next is again from Makeup Academy. This is eyeshadow. Okay, so I'm already wearing this eyeshadow, same thing, and this pigment is really intense, and love the color. Okay, it looks like this. Okay, and this is a long lasting pigment as well. So this is a swatch. It's really good pigmented, and it is having a shimmery effect. Okay, but after it settles, it is having a matte effect too. So it is dual. It looks shimmery, but it is Yeah, it is more shimmery than kind of matte, so it is so good. The camera is not capturing it, but it is having a shimmery effect. And by the way, the price of this is again 615. And another product is again from Mua or Makeup Academy. This is eyeliner gold nugget. Okay, so this how it looks. I am doing this thing. So can you see, it is almost like a nude eyeliner. It can be used as a nude eyeliner, but it is having a good shimmery effect. The camera is not capturing, but if you can, I'm showing the light. Okay, you can see this. Okay, it is good shimmery eyeliner. I love this, and the price of this is 240. Last product, because I have lots of cracks these days, I want a foot cream, and the best foot cream in the market, I can tell you, is Fuchsia, a natural SLS paraben free peppermint foot cream, nourishing foot cream. So it is a full size, and it is tub lasts for me more than 1 month or 2 months. It is having a pink color, and the fragrance is good, peppermint fragrance, and I love to apply this every day. During the night, I just apply it to my feet, and I wore socks so that my feet will be very soft the next day, and I want to maintain like this. So the total price of my box is, I can tell you, it's 3000 plus. What I paid is 1000, so 3 times. And most favorites, and whatever I chose, the products came that way. So I definitely recommend Globox if you want to go for a beauty subscription with 1000 rupees. So what did you like in my Globox, and why? Do post me in the comments. Catch you later with another video.